Hi, so this is Arlene. So someone was in my car because this is not from me. I don't eat this stuff. And so it broke off from my car. It was actually under the mat. So I don't eat any kind of bread like this. So, and then I lifted up my mat and they dusted my car more. Apparently they scratched all these little things off of it, of my mat, and I'm going to make this video, and I'm just going to stop by the sheriff's department and see if I could file a complaint, file an incident report. And then this happened right here. They cut this open. Hold on, let me take my, yeah. So anyways, this was cut open on here, and let me see on this side if anything was done. So on this side, it's not too bad here. It was mostly done on the driver's side. And then in here, there's scuff marks. So it looks like they did some stuff up in here. And then, let me check the back. That car, 888 AHS 708, the white Range Rover. I don't know why it's here, because that's not their parking spot. So anyways, that one right there. It's 8 AHS 708. So on this one, it's good on this side, and it's good on that side. And the cup holder still works. Everything's fine in there. So the seats look clean. It's just on the driver's side. And that's the scratch that was there from 2 days ago. So I just wanted to make a video of it. And I think that's about it.